Very good morning, guys. Today we are going to see on the topic of industrial revolution and automation. So we have already discussed in the class about the automation system. There are three major components in the automation system. Can anyone say that?
So sensors, actuators, control.
Control unit. So what is the brain of the automation?
Sensor is the brain of the
No, it is
microcontroller.
controller or processor is the brain of the automation, and followed by the sensors which will detect the information from the environment from us, and it will be give the output to the actuators. So this is the flowchart for the automation system. This automation is revolutionized from the industrial revolution. So starting from the industrial 1.0, the major power source is the steam, and followed by industry 2.0, the major power source is electricity, and 3.0 is communications and IT systems. So industrial 4.0 is autonomous, and followed by industrial 5.0 is robotics without minimum human intervention is called as automation. So can I hear you from few sensors? Sure.
Yes, sir. First, we are going to see the IR sensor, sir. It uses infrared radiations to detect the objects or measure the distance.
Okay.
The main components of IR is LEDs and photodiodes, sir. LEDs transmits the signal and photodiode receives it. The advantages are low cost, high in use, maintenance cost is very low, sir. But the disadvantage is sunlight can affect it because it's an IR sensor, so sunlight may affect it.
Okay, may I hear from Sarvesh?
So I'm going to speak about proximity sensor, which is a non-contact sensor which will detect the object and give it as output. It is maximum used in CNC machining, PLC and other automation systems. It is also divided into number of types, where it has a photoelectric sensor with photoelectric proximity sensor which will use laser beams to detect the long range objects, and also some sensor used to detect only metals, and some sensors will detect all the objects, and also ultrasonic proximity sensor is also available, where it will detect the non invisible objects like mirror, glass material, which will send the ultrasonic waves and detect the objects.
Okay, may I hear from Harish?
Sir, I'm going to tell about piezoelectric sensor. Piezoelectric sensor, it is a mechanical force which converts. Mechanical force means pressure, force that like which converts into electrical signal. So the working principle of the piezoelectric sensor is when the mechanical force such as pressure, vibration, shocks, so that are converted into an electrical signal. So that electrical signal, how it is obtained is the positive electric charge and the negative electric charge is displaced in a different way, sir. So when the shock is obtained and the pressure is given, sir, the positive and electrical negative signal is displaced in different manner. So it will combine, it will give a spark, sir. So that spark is an electrical signal where the proportional to the voltage obtained, sir. So this is the working principle of piezoelectric sensor, sir. So where it is used in means simple in Japan now recent days they have used in walking paths where the people walk, no, sir. From that shock is obtained and the electrical signal, so where they smallly gathered for street use purpose or for small charging purpose, sir. So this is used in various climatic conditions, also suitable for various climatic conditions. So the main advantage is it is very fast response, sir, where it quickly responds to the force and the electric signal is obtained, sir. So that's all about the piezoelectric sensor.
So can I hear it from Vishnu?
Okay, sir. So I'm going to talk about the ultrasonic sensor, sir. The ultrasonic sensor is commonly known as the motion sensor. So the working principle is that the components which are present in this ultrasonic sensor are known as the transmitter, receiver and control unit. Transmitter is that at 45 kilohertz, the ultrasonic sensor will be transmitting high wave frequencies that will be hitting back from the certain object present in front of the transmitter and receiving this receiver, sir. By the presence of control unit, the designated function, if a car want to stop in a certain distance before a block, it will be doing that property, sir. Next, the formula for this ultrasonic sensor is known as distance into speed of sound by 2, sir. The speed of sound is 343 meter per second. The advantages of this ultrasonic sensor are they are low in cost, and they can be used even in dark or some dusty environments, sir. And the limitation is that they are not prone to much heat or winter climates. So that's all about.
So okay, we have seen about sensors. So now we can discuss about the controllers or process. So anyone tell about any controllers that you have seen in your real-time project works? Can anyone name some of the examples related
Sir,
to
in my project we have built a line follower, sir. For that we have used IR sensors, where we already talked about it. And controllers are based on 10C, sir. We are not using Android, Arduino, because the heating process is higher than the Arduino.
Are you telling Arduino is more heat discharging than 10C?
10C.
Okay.
So we have used 10C 4.0, sir. The process is very quick. By comparing to Arduino, 10C has more heat rates. Ration of action is more.
Okay. So then we want to discuss about the actuators. So the actuators can be classified based on the input source what we are giving. So mainly we are having 4 input source, like hydraulic, pneumatic, electrical and mechanical. So based on the power source what we are giving, the mechanical actuator will actuate. So these are the 3 major components of the automation that will be introduced in the industrial revolution, like industrial 4.0 and industrial 5.0. So guys, we can discuss another topic in the next series. Thank you.
Thank you.